Hello, this is the bObsweep robotic vacuum cleaner mop, and this is all brand new. Uh, this one has the LiDAR mapping technology, SLAM navigation, and it will work on carpets, hardwood, and tiles. This is all brand new. Okay, let's see. On the back of the box, so once again the features are, it has LiDAR features, SLAM navigation, room to room cleaning. Inside the box it's come with the charging station, cleaning tool, side brushes. It has four side brushes, 2 filters, and microfiber mopping cloths too. So this is the back of the box, and it's brand new. I didn't open it, and that's it.